Hello students, good morning all of. Today we will start new chemical properties of ethyl alcohol. आज हम जो है इथाइल अल्कोहल की कुछ रासायनिक गुण की स्टडी कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इथाइल अल्कोहल. इथाइल अल्कोहल react with concentrate HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride as a Lucas reagent. Understood? So firstly, ethyl alcohol C2H5OH react with concentrate HCl, presence of anhydrous zinc chloride gives out ethyl chloride and eliminate water molecules. Understood? This is known as ethyl alcohol. Second chemical property is ethyl alcohol react with active metal known as sodium metals. Ethyl alcohol react with active metal known as sodium metals. Ethyl alcohol C2H5OH react with active metal sodium gives out C2H5O Na plus eliminate hydrogen gas. रिएक्शन को बैलेंस कर लीजिए 2 times and 2 times. इसको जो understood means hydrogen gas produced in this reaction sodium ethoxide form. Understood? Third chemical properties of alcohol. Ethyl alcohol react with PCl5. Understood? Ethyl alcohol react with PCl5. C2H5OH plus phosphorus pentachloride react with ethyl alcohols gives out C2H5Cl, PoCl2 and then PoCl3 and then HCl. Means ethyl alcohol react phosphorus pentachloride to react with and gives out ethyl alcohol and phosphorus oxychloride. Understood? Next chemical properties. Number 4, ethyl alcohol react with SOCl2 thionyl chloride. Means thionyl chloride C2H5OH SOCl2 thionyl chloride react with ethyl alcohols gives out ethyl chloride and sulfur dioxide and HCl. pure form of ethyl chloride in chemical reaction. Sulfur dioxide gas eliminate and HCl gas eliminate. Pure form of ethyl chloride is octane. Understood? Next chemical properties. Fifth number, ethyl alcohol react with phosphorus and HI. C2H5OH plus reduction of ethyl alcohol. Reduction of ethyl alcohol. तो H presence of phosphorus and HI. Hydrogen iodides gives out C2H6 and H2O eliminate. Ethane gas is produced, है ना. Next chemical properties of alcohol. Ethyl alcohol react with acetic acid C2H5OH CH3COOH. Ethyl alcohol react with acetic acid formed C2H5OOCCH3. Ethyl acetate and eliminate water molecules H2O. 7 number, ethyl alcohol react with acetyl chloride C2H5OH and CH3COCl. acetyl chloride react with ethyl alcohols, gives out C2H5OCH3. ethyl acetate and HCl is a eliminate. Understood? Next है ethyl alcohol react with acetic anhydride react with ethyl alcohol C2H5OH react with ethyl anhydride produce C2H5OOCH3 and acetic acid is a eliminate. तीनों रिएक्शन के अंदर जो है वन प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है हमारे पास में, जो नेम क्या है, इथाइल एसीटेट. ethyl alcohol react with acetic acid, gives out ethyl acetate and water molecules eliminate. Understood? Ethyl alcohols react with acetic chloride produce ethyl acetate C2H5O, COO, CH3 and HCl is the element. Next है ethyl alcohol react with acetic anhydride, ठीक है, gives out ethyl acetate and eliminate acetic acid. Understood? Next, ethyl alcohol react with alumina Al2O3. Ethyl alcohol react with alumina, produce ethyl diethyl alcohol, ethers. Okay, C2H5OH plus presence of Al2O3, temperature increase 520 kelvins. Okay, use out C2H5O and hydrogen gas eliminate. Water molecules eliminate. Understood? Ethyl alcohol react with alumina Al2O3, temperature 620 Kelvin. C2H5OH alumina 620 Kelvin temperature gives out CH2 double bond CH2 gas and water molecules eliminate. Understood? तो यहाँ डाई इथाइल ईथर फॉर्म हो रहा है, यहाँ इथीन गैस इज अ प्रोड्यूस. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट है इथाइल अल्कोहल react with concentrate sulfuric acid, temperature 410 Kelvin. Understood? 410 Kelvin. Understood? C2H5OH, presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and temperature increase 410 Kelvin. Understood? Use out excess में मतलब मोर क्वांटिटी में जो है इथाइल अल्कोहल रहेगा और लेस क्वांटिटी में सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड रहेगा, तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा? तो C2H5O and then H2O. Understood? तो इथाइल अल्कोहल. Understood? Ethyl alcohol react with concentrate sulfuric acid and temperature 140 Kelvin. Understood? Ethyl alcohol and concentrate H2SO4 excess quantity, then produce ethene gas and water molecules. Understood? Ethene. Then again repeats, ethyl alcohol react with alumina and temperature 520 Kelvin. ओके, तो इथाइल अल्कोहल react with alumina तो then डाई इथाइल ईथर फॉर्म। अंडरस्टूड। यदि हम जो है टेम्परेचर 520 केल्विन रखते हैं तो हमें क्या देगा, डाई इथाइल अल्कोहल, एंड टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करते हैं तो क्या देगा हमारे को, इथेन गैस आर प्रोड्यूस। अंडरस्टूड। नेक्स्ट है इथाइल अल्कोहल रिएक्ट विद सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज 410 केल्विन। ओके, तो excess quantity of ethyl alcohol and less quantity of sulfuric acid produce our ethyl alcohol and water molecules eliminate, and then ethyl alcohol react with concentrate sulfuric acid, low quantity of ethyl alcohol or major quantity of sulfuric acid gives out ethene or ethylene gas produce and water molecules. Next, chemical properties. Ethyl alcohol react with ammonia, presence of thorium oxide, temperature 630 Kelvin. Understood? Ethyl alcohol react with ammonia, presence of thorium oxide is a catalyst, and Kelvin temperature increase. Understood? Firstly, C2H5OH and then ammonia NH3 react with produce C2H5NH2 and then water molecules. 1 degree primary amine. Next, C2H5NH2 react with ethyl alcohol, produce C2H5 then water molecules eliminate. Understood? Third step, C2H5 and NH, C2H5OH. Understood? Water molecules produce and C2H5O and C2H5O and C2H5O and water molecules. Tertiary amine produce secondary amine produce. Understood? Again repeats, ethyl alcohol excess quantity in react with ammonia, presence of thorium oxide 630 Kelvin, temperature increase gives out primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine this reaction. Understood? Okay. Next reaction, ethyl alcohol react with iodine and alkali sodium hydroxide produce iodoform. Understood? C2H5OH react with iodine and sodium hydroxide. Understood? Produce CH3 iodoform and 5NaI and 5 time H2O and NaOCH. Understood? Balance the reaction. 4 times I, 6 times sodium hydroxide. Again, ethyl alcohol react with iodine and alkali base sodium hydroxide, react each other and give new compound iodoform. Formula CHI3 and eliminate sodium iodide, water molecules and sodium formate. Understood? Next properties. Ethyl alcohol react with chlorine gas, produce chloral, means C2H5OH react with chlorine, gives out acetaldehyde, CH3CHO and produce 2HCl. Then chlorine gas again react with acetaldehyde 3 times and gives out CCl3CHO and 3HCl. Understood? Again, ethyl alcohol react with chlorine, gives out HCl, eliminate HCl and for acetaldehyde formed, acetaldehyde formed and chloral formed. Understood? This reaction, ethyl alcohol react with chlorine and gives out acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with again chlorine and form or produce chloral. Understood? I hope understood some reaction chemical properties. Okay. Thanks.